Hey everyone, and welcome to my training on how to use Canva for your real estate business. Let's get started. So here we are inside of Canva. Just head to canva.com and sign up for your free account if you haven't done so already. And there's no need to go premium, especially at first. The free version of Canva offers so much in the way of pictures and videos and fonts and templates. So check out the free version first. It may have everything you need. While we're in this training, you may notice some differences between my account and yours because I do have a premium account, but again, no need to go premium, especially at first. So the templates we're in right now are my 10 free Canva templates for real estate. And if you haven't already grabbed these, make sure you do that. I'll link below. And then you can see these exact templates, get in there, mess around, change to your colors and fonts, and make them your own to post on your social media pages. So this is my cover photo here. You can see I have a bunch of different pictures that I'm using. And so first let's look at how to change out pictures. So you just click on the image that you want to change, come over here to photos, and Canva offers, again, just so many options. So you can type in whatever you're looking for: kitchen, home, real estate, backyard, bathroom, really anything that you're looking for. Just type in the keyword and you'll find a ton of options. Come up here to filter out to the free pictures if you don't have the pro version. And then that way you're not sifting through all the photos to figure out what is free and what is premium. And all of these images are royalty free, so you can use them as you wish. So let's say we wanted to use this picture. You just pull it over and place it there, and then you can double click on it and move it around or make it bigger, just like that. I'm going to Command Z to undo. Let's click on this color block, and you come up here to the color. And again, you just change it out. Here's the hex code, so you can copy that hex code if you want to keep that color for later. Just click on it here and change it out. Okay, let's head on down to one of the graphics. So I'm going to click on this graphic, click on the notes section, and here's where you'll find the caption that I wrote to go with the post. And you can just copy and paste this caption into Facebook or Instagram or wherever you're using these templates. And then also here are some suggested hashtags as well. And then same thing here, you just double click on whatever text you'd like to change. You can completely change the wording or add whatever you'd like to here. Change the color of the text. It's really easy to just click and change the bar, the photo. So really it's very easy, and then again the background of the photo as well, you can change that color. So it's really very simple and user-friendly, and that's what I love so much about Canva. So you slide on down to the next graphic, same thing, change out the picture, the colors, the fonts, whatever you'd like. All right, let's talk about how to download these. So let's say I want to download page 8, this quote, and I'm going to post it to Facebook. So go to the download button, make sure the file type is set to PNG. Scroll down to page 8, click download. While that's downloading, I'm going to copy this caption. All right, and then I'm going to head over to Facebook and upload my photo. And then paste my post caption. You'd want to insert your contact info there and then hit post, and then you'll be all set. Okay, so that's my basic training on how to use my Canva templates for real estate. Please comment below with any questions or reach out to me however is easiest for you. I'm happy to answer your questions. Thanks so much, and I'll see you in the next video.